This is a Gamma 242, 60 gallon per minute, 700 PSI pump. We have set this up plumbing wise to maximize the pressure and volume that comes out of this pump, and in so doing we also minimize the amount of wear and tear on the pump because we put in two high pressure lines. These are 3/4 outlets coming out, but we actually plumb them with 1-inch 2500 PSI hydraulic hose. So we are maximizing all of the pressure and volume that can come out of this pump. Attached to this is a shaft that turns around inside of this little cover, and to that we have attached the magnetic pickup that goes to the tachometer that we showed you on the opposite side of the truck, that tells you exactly how fast this pump is turning at all times. It's not allowed to turn over 600 revolutions per minute, and with the tach over there you can tell exactly how fast it's turning. We also have 3 different safety systems built into the truck, one of which we can see here. This is a vacuum relief valve. What this does, if for some reason the pump was starved of liquid, if the pump was running and someone shut all of the suction lines, it would let air into the system to do less damage to the pump. On the other side, there are 2 other safety systems. One for the high pressure manifold, so if for some reason that regulator stops working, a valve will open and release the pressure there back into the system. And also on the return manifold, if all of the return valves were closed and the pump was pumping and the liquid had nowhere to go, a special safety valve would open and here again release that pressure and volume back into the system. We provide all these protection systems to protect not only the equipment but also the technician that's operating your equipment. Safety is a key goal of Green Pro Solutions.